Hardware installation is relatively easy. Firstly, take off the cover, and inside you will find two disk caddies. Remove each of the disk caddies by pressing the push button at the top. On the side of each caddy, you'll see a plastic clip. Simply pull the clip off from each side. Then take your hard drive, place it inside the caddy with the SATA connections facing outwards. And the label of the disk facing up. The holes on the side of the caddy should line up with the screw holes of the disk. Once they're lined up, grab your plastic clips and place them back on the caddy. Each should clip firmly at each end. Repeat for the other side. When the disk is firmly in place, insert the caddy back into the NAS chassis. Note that they can only be inserted one way, so pay special attention to the up arrow on the handle. Push firmly back into the chassis. It should click back into place, and the push button at the top will click into place. Repeat for the other disk. Once completed, replace the cover plate on the NAS again, and that's all there is to it.